Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Redmi 9C. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find here something say wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you're going to see there's a preloaded wallpaper. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this picture. After click over this picture, and if you're using the first time, it's going to be looks like. Now let me make here apply, and if you want to set this picture in your wallpaper, you can set as home screen. Now if I go back, you're going to see now my phone is appear new wallpaper. So within this way, you can easily change wallpaper in your Redmi 9C. Now you might be have a favorite picture and you want to set them in your phone. In order to do that, you need to click in the phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and then you're going to find here wallpaper. And here we're going to choose the local photo. After click over local photo, you're going to see the pictures available in your phone. For example, I would like to set this picture in my wallpaper. I'm going to click apply and then I'm going to set as home screen. Now you can see just now I had set my favorite picture in my wallpaper. So within this we can easily change wallpaper in your Redmi 9C. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.